Applying for a job in India? Whether it's a private company, government internship, or MNC, a well-written cover letter can make a great first impression. In today's video, I'll teach you how to write an effective cover letter step by step. A cover letter is a one-page letter that you send along with your resume. It introduces you to the HR manager and explains why you are the right person for the job. Why is it important? Many companies in India, especially MNCs, startups, and government fellowship programs, now expect a cover letter with your application. Now let's look at the proper structure of a cover letter. A good cover letter should follow a clear and professional format. It usually has 6 main parts. They are header, salutation, opening paragraph, body paragraphs, and closing paragraph and sign-off. Let's go through them one by one. Start with your contact details at the top left corner of the letter. This should include your full name, phone number, email address, and your city and state. Leave a line and then write the date on which you are sending the application. Below that, add the company's name and address, just like you would on a formal letter. Next, add a polite greeting. If you know the name of the hiring manager, write something like, "Dear Mr. Sharma," or "Dear Ms. Verma." If you don't know the name, you can simply write "Dear Sir" or "Madam" or "Dear Hiring Manager." This is where you introduce yourself. Mention the job title you're applying for and where you found the job ad, for example, on Naukri, LinkedIn, or the company website. Then write one strong line about your background or interest to grab the recruiter's attention. In 1 or 2 short paragraphs, explain why you are the right person for the job. Mention your qualifications, work experience, or internships, anything that's directly related to the job. If possible, highlight something you like about the company or the role, to show that you've done your research. Now, politely close the letter. Mention that your resume is attached, and express your willingness to attend an interview. Use a formal closing like, "Yours sincerely," followed by your full name. And that's the basic structure of a cover letter: simple, professional, and to the point. Now, let's look at one complete sample cover letter. This will help you quickly understand how everything fits together in a real job application. I hope this video helped you understand how to write a powerful cover letter that impresses recruiters. Remember, your cover letter is your first impression, so make it count. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SpeakWell English Academy for more practical English lessons. See you in the next video.